Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. These healthy, easy-to-cook strands of zucchini deliciousness can do just about anything that noodles can do. This extremely flavorful and fragrant dish makes an unbelievably delicious and healthy dinner in under 10 minutes. And this Zoodle recipe will prove it. Let's begin with preparing the zucchini noodles. The easiest way to make zucchini noodles is to use a spiralizer. No spiralizer? No problem. You can also use a julienne vegetable peeler. Zoodles are delicious, versatile strings of zucchini that have been shaved and cut into long strands. They are low in calories and almost zero carbs. Because of this, they make an excellent substitution for pasta noodles. They are also a gluten-free. Let's prepare 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and 2 shallots. Next, a 1/2 slice of large tomato. Cut into 1/4 inch cubes. I'm in love with this easy zucchini pasta recipe. There's fresh zucchini, fresh basil, onion, garlic, shrimp, tomatoes, and Parmesan cheese. Let's begin to cook. On a medium-high heat temperature, let's add 1 tablespoon of butter, followed by the garlic, next the onion, stir for about 2 minutes. Then, let's add the zoodles. Don't overcook. The whole cooking process takes less than 5 minutes because the zoodles only need 2 minutes to cook. Moving on, let's add our tomatoes, followed by the pre-cooked shrimp. Next, let's add our fresh-picked basils. And let's also add 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Mix well together. Then add salt to taste and freshly ground black pepper. Have you noticed that I didn't salt the zucchini ahead? Because salt draws out water from the zucchini. This will make it less crunchy when it's cooked. Zucchini noodles are the perfect main dish or side. This veggie is mildly flavored and easy to make. It is also delicious and goes perfectly with pretty much anything from a homemade pasta sauce to basil pesto or even just with butter, salt, and pepper. These easy zoodles are simple to master and a great healthy alternative to pasta or spaghetti. Let's add more basil pesto and garnish with fresh basils. And lastly, top with more Parmesan cheese if desired. This zoodle recipe is so easy to get creative with. You can add whatever you'd like into them. That is cooking simply delicious!
So crunchy. Wow, so good. So good.
Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time!